Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger notifications late. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger notifications late, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, we click on Messenger. Then this page of app info, we click on for stop. Here we go to click storage. Then you click clear cache. And don't click clear data because that can make error on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.